We're hanging down in Stock Island today, and we're going to check out one of the marinas. Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Amy Prumo and Thomas Carden, local real estate agents here in the Keys. Today, we're going to take you on a quick tour of Oceanside Marina in Stock Island. So the marina actually sits within Ocean Edge Key West Hotel, which again is actually in Stock Island, even though it says it's in Key West. And so the resort and the marina are two separate entities. As an owner at the marina, there's like an unspoken rule that you are allowed to use the resort amenities. It's not written down anywhere, but since the resort hasn't had any issues with the marina owners using the resort amenities, they have allowed it. On site, there is the Yellowfin Bar and Kitchen, and that's right by the water. They've got excellent food, really nice atmosphere. There's also 6 swimming pools, a fitness center, a dog park, laundromat, and showers. There's also a fuel dock, and that has gas, diesel, and ice. The marina does allow commercial charters or fishing operations. They have 52 dry storage racks, and these don't go on sale very often, but when they do, they get sold pretty fast. There are 111 wet slips available. They all have deep water access, about 12 feet deep there, and they come in all sorts of sizes. The highest in length is going up to 140 feet. There's 30-50 amp power, cable, Wi-Fi, and water as well. There's also a pump out station. The HOA fees at the marina vary by slip. The slips that are for sale right now, the range for the HOA, it goes from like $213 a month up to like $485 a month. So it just depends on the slip that you buy. As an owner, you can use the slip as a liveaboard. However, if you're renting out your slip, the renter cannot use the marina as a liveaboard. They can only stay on board for 120 consecutive days. There's an on-site manager at the marina, and they can have you help rent your slip. It's like a 25-75 split. You don't have to use the rental company. You could actually do it yourself. A lot of people ask about Airbnbs, and these are not allowed at this marina. On the market right now, there's 6 wet slips for sale, and they range from $325,000 up to $895,000. We're going to put a link below the video, so if you want to go check out those slips and see the lengths and widths and stuff, you can do that. Overall, Oceanside Marina in Stock Island is a very nice marina. You've got the best of everything right nearby, and you really won't be disappointed at this marina. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, give us a call. Amy and Tom with Coldwell Baker. Bye!